Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Nkenna. I'm responsible for everything that goes on here. As you guys can tell from the title of today's video, we are doing an unboxing for the July Birchbox. So diving right in, this is what the box looks like this month. It is just a, what do we call this? This magenta, this is a magenta box, and then it has these little pink scribbles that kind of look like waves there, and then it says Birchbox in the middle. When you open up the box, you have your information card, and it says, this month we challenge you to spend an extra 2 minutes applying body lotions after you shower. We know it's easy to skip over that step, but your hands and knees and elbows need some love too, which you're calling me out. I feel seen because I am really bad about not putting on lotion after the shower, and especially in the summer months, it's really, really bad. I said that backwards. Especially in the winter months, it's very bad because in the winter, you're wearing long sleeves, you're wearing pants, and nobody can see your ashiness. Nobody can see your ash under your clothes. So definitely thank you for the accountability here. Getting into the products from Beauty Protector, we have this Protect and oil. A full size of this product retails at $28. On the information card, it says a little goes a long way with this hair oil. Smooth 1 to 3 drops into damp hair, working from roots to ends. Use on dry hair to tame frizz and give your hair a moisture boost. So I've actually never heard of this brand, and I typically do use oil. I try to oil my hair, if not every day, every other day, just because my hair loves all that added moisture, and if I don't, my hair starts feeling like pine straw. So I'm excited to try this out. Again, I've never heard of this brand, and I don't know who this oil is targeted at, but I can only assume that it's targeted at natural African-American hair types because most other people do not apply oil to their hair. Next, from the Dr. Pawpaw brand, we have the Tinted Ultimate Red Lip Balm. A full size of this retails for $8. On the information card, it says lip care meets color with this tinted multi-purpose balm made from a variety of natural ingredients, great for adding a pop of color to lips or cheeks. So it's dual purpose. So swatch on the back of the hand, this is what it looks like, and it is a nice creamy texture. It's not too glossy, and it feels very moisturizing. So I might try to use this on my lips. Typically on my cheeks, I like to go for like a soft, like baby pink, rosy pink kind of color on my cheeks. So I don't know if I would actually use this on my lips. I don't want it to look too clownish on me. Next, from Chemet Biologics Inc., this is their Amla and Olive Heavy Cream. A full size of this retails for $21. On the information card, it says this all-in-one hydrates and softens coils, cornrows, and more. Distribute the Ayurvedic botanical formula through dry or damp hair or apply directly to scalp to nourish. Next up, we have a product from Sand and Sky. This is their Australian Pink Clay Flash Perfection Exfoliating Treatment. A full size of this retails for $43. On the information card, it says when skin is still damp from cleansing, leave on this facial treatment for 5 minutes before massaging and rinsing off to detoxify and nourish skin. Use up to 3 times a week. And it does mention that you should try and patch test this before. I have super sensitive skin, so I'm always super cautious when it comes to trying new skincare because I don't want to have like a full-blown allergic reaction because that usually like puts me out of the game for like a week. So definitely will try this out and see how my skin responds to it. Next, from Stila, this is a woman-owned brand. This is their Magnum Triple X mascara. A full size of this retails for $23. On the information card, it says this mascara contains Curl Flex, a unique styling resin with ultra curl retention and lash hold. It's the perfect combo of lightweight formula and brush for the most volumizing lashes. And then finally, from the brand Era, we have their Cooling Cheek Tint, and it is in the shade Coral Pink. A full size of this retails for $18. And on the information card, it says this cheek tint gives a natural flush that's hydrating and long lasting. Perfect for summer days. Apply a small dot on cheeks, blend out with your finger, layer for more color. I put like a little pea-sized amount on the back of my hand. That is too much. And then blending it out, that's really light. That's actually gonna be very ashy on my skin tone. So again, one of the things that I always mention with these subscription boxes is that you run into the issue of they send out products and it's not always super tailored, super customized to all skin tones, and most often it's not really tailored and customized to darker skin tones. I think people with lighter complexions, definitely they don't really have those problems. Almost anything works out for them. But something like this, I mean, like I end up looking like I didn't blend out my sunscreen or I just look casket ready. So that is all that I have for you guys. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to see more makeup related videos, definitely comment down below. If you guys got the the Birchbox this month. Definitely let me know what you're loving from it. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, like the video, give it a thumbs up. That is the same thing. And I'll catch you guys later. Bye.